Hello and welcome students. Today we are going to take up creating leaders through physical education. Since the previous videos, I have been talking to you about how we can create leaders. How we can create leaders through physical education, that we are going to see. I have written down few points here. These points are the points of identification by your teacher so that you can lead the world tomorrow. Since you all are young and the future of our country, of our nation, you can do wonders if you are guided and you follow the guidance of your teachers or your parents or your elders, whosoever is your well-wisher. So let's get back to the point and understand how we can create leaders through physical education. The first point is identification of leadership skill and development. Normally, in a school, in a class, there are many students. Some of you get a chance to do many things and some do not get. The reason is, out of the whole class, many of you are just hand-picked by your teachers and trained, developed all the qualities that you have inherited by birth or what exists in your talent to just brush it up. And school is the best place where you can do so, because it is all among yourself, all among your friends, all among your teachers. So you love those students there, you have friends there, you respect your teachers, and finally you go out into the world as a very good human being who has some leadership qualities. So here the teacher identifies your skill. What skill is present in you? Is it good for becoming a leader? And after that, just developing those skills. That means making those skills more better for your future. Second point is improvement. This goes hand in hand with development. If there are certain skills in you, some may be in which you are very good, and in some you might not be very good. You do have the talent, but that has to be improved, inculcated, so that you improve and you place yourself away and separate from all others so that you can be judged as a leader. So for that, what can be done? That comes as the third point, what we call as the approach. How do we approach to make you a better leader? You have the talents, you have all these in you, but how we can make that grow in you? First is giving a student a chance to manage something. As you manage your class, you manage a group of students, you may be the group leader, you may be the class monitor. So also in physical education, when you play games, you have the approach to become a good leader by leading the team, the various matches you play. Then comes supervising. You may be having a talent of an eye over all. A group is playing or 2-3 teams are playing, and you can very well supervise them, find out any foul play, find out the difference in opinion among the team members. So you can be a good supervisor. So that becomes a better opportunity for you to grow as a good leader. Third one is to provide leadership course. There are many short-term courses for school children where you can do 2 months, 3 months, 1 month, even 15 days training where you can become a good leader. Then After all this, after all that you have done, you are recognized by your school, by your teacher. How you are recognized? You may be called on the stage, you might be given a medal, you might be given a certificate, whatever it is. Every school or every team has a different way of recognizing your efforts. And when you get recognition, you always want to excel in life and you grow as a better leader. Then the fourth point, that is faith and confidence. This faith and confidence you can grow or you can have from your teachers, from your parents, from your elders, only by performing what is needed. That means whatever you do, if that is in the correct path, you will definitely gain faith and confidence of your teachers. So if your physical education teacher find you confident and also find you to be faithful in whatever work you do, all these work that you have been doing, then the teacher will definitely give you a chance to supervise or take care of a particular team or a match. Last but not the least is give more responsibilities. Once you are ready with all these qualities and your teacher has confidence and faith, you are given with some more responsibilities. Initially you started with only one responsibility, but slowly from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, that means you can be a good commentator, you can be a good supervisor, you can be a good scorekeeper, you can be a good player, you can be a good critic. So slowly and slowly your responsibilities are increased. As it increases, you gain more confidence, and that is how you become a good leader. So having physical education as a subject in your topics is very, very important to create leaders of tomorrow. These leaders may always not lead a company, a society, a country, but they will always lead people to a proper path. Show them light in whatever they do.